today we're going for a day hike to Bruce Peninsula.
2 days.
2 days.
1 night.
1 night.
Yeah.
So this is going to be our second time. Last summer we went there as well. It was pretty intense hike, but today we're going again. This summer, 2023.
Smaller backpacks, lighter backpacks, so
yeah,
should be good.
Yeah, I'm just decided to do some small movie. Gonna show the beauty there, and we're gonna share some experience. I'm sure you heard a lot about this place because it's very popular, but I decided to do my first movie, and it's perfect opportunity.
And she has the perfect company for her.
Yeah, my husband.
Perfect company.
Perfect husband. Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect company, perfect husband.
Yeah, that's me.
So
everyone keeps telling me, perfect husband.
yeah, this is in the back seat to our bags. They very small compared to last year, and
It still could be smaller. Could be smaller.
Yeah. So anyway, let's do it.
Woo!
Hi to your followers.
To flowers?
Followers.
Hello everybody. All
What
my followers,
flowers?
all my fans, my #1 stands. How's it going? Bruce Peninsula. Got to put a little bit of chapstick on because we're chopping up a little bit.
I hope I'm not gonna die here. Wish me the best.
You're not gonna die.
Yep. We just did first 700 meters.
Good.
And I really don't feel good.
You work out for this.
No. But anyway. Great, so this is their first point.
Yeah.
So this way we have...
So 6.2 kilometers to hide them.
Yeah, but it's not true. Alright people, it's not true. Last time it's...
Like these mysterious, they're all liars.
They all...
I don't think so. I mean, you can do it, right?
I got this.
Ooh, see? All these little areas you can put your foot in. Right, okay. Woo! Yeah! Woo! favorite activities. The rope. Made it!
Did it!
Yay! Look how stunning it is. Very nice campfire right here. The husband. Show what inside. So I already set it up. It's my sleeping bag. Everything ready to go. Robert's still with food. Here we have all pockets. Always using them. This is actually a very nice tent. Old Nemo. Yeah. Yeah. He's excited to have his dinner.
My favorite one.
Well, what is it?
It's spaghetti with meat sauce.
Hey,
Hey, you watching Boost Tube?
we enjoy the sunset. La la la, look at this. It's worth it. It's worth it.
It's definitely worth it. It's not even that bad. We killed it. We own Bruce Peninsula. It's not even a national park anymore. It's our park.
So, any advice for new beginners hikers?
Act like only what you're, the bare essentials. It's only what you're gonna use for sure. Not a maybe. Nothing. Just exactly what you're gonna use and nothing else. If you don't bring more food, you won't have the opportunity to eat more food. That's a huge part too.
You can really enjoy this nature, Mother Nature. Yeah,
And your company that you bring.
for sure.
That's about it. All that matters.
Look at it. Beautiful. Something must see. This sound.
Good morning, Boost Tube. So, it's about 8 in the morning. Slept pretty good. Woke up a couple of times, but fell right back to sleep. Pretty relaxed. Lisa went down to get some water. She's thirsty, but also she wants to make breakfast. So, I decided to choose bacon and eggs for breakfast. I thought that was a good idea. Maybe some bacon and eggs. The other option was oatmeal with like berries and stuff, but I went with the bacon and eggs. You know, can't go wrong with that. Lisa for breakfast went a little bit off the rails. She decided it was a good idea to get beef stroganoff for breakfast. So I'm gonna be sitting here chilling, eating my bacon and eggs, delicioso. You know how we do it. Lisa's gonna be sitting here eating her beef stroganoff in the morning. So we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty excited to see how it goes. I don't really want to try it. I want to see what it looks like, but yeah, I'm good. I don't need to try it. I'm excited for my bacon and eggs, and I am excited to see what her beef stroganoff looks like. And we'll see. She seems pretty excited about it anyway, so it should be a pretty good meal. And then we'll pack up and hit the trail. So see you later. Peace out, everybody, and Boost Tube. Let's go.